It's day before work day eve. Welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and I am a flight attendant and I am getting ready to go to work, and it is Halloween, so happy Halloween. I just thought I'd show you some of the things that I bought at Trader Joe's to take with me on my trip. Here we go, so let's look. So I'm going to show you some things, and some things I've never done before and some things I do all the time. Like, here's this chocolate peanut butter protein bars. Yum yum, nice to have on hand. And sometimes I've done these, sometimes I just do beef jerky or jerky, but I got these chomps. Those are nice to have in a pinch, you know, when you don't have a lot of time and you need a little food. And let's see, here's some things I've never done. So I saw another flight attendant thaw this out and put it in a baggie, because we don't have ovens on our planes, and so we have to figure out how to heat up food while we're on the plane if we want to eat something that's out of our bag. I'm going to do rice and some chicken. And then I like to have one of these on hand because it's a nice little tasty warm morsel. I'm going to make a salad with this lettuce, some garbanzos, and some olives, and some of these little fellas. These lobster tail thingy-majiggers. And, you know, crucial items that we must have on hand. Baked cheese crunchies. And I splurged a little bit and I got some macadamias. This little tiny bag, which is 8 ounces, was $10. So that's definitely a splurge. And then, you know, some salami in case you just have a hankering for some salami. I also have some cheese sticks that I will put in. And let me look in the fridge. Let's see what else. I have a little bit of blackberries left, and oh, I found these, you guys, at Target. If you like the bitchin sauce, they have these little handy dandy like individual bitchin sauce snacks, and it comes with little corn chips. Isn't that adorable? So I got a couple of those. So I have a 3-day trip starting tomorrow. I check in at 12:25, and I have an Austin overnight and a Las Vegas overnight. And then I have 1 day off and I'm on AM reserve. So we'll see what happens. I'm hearing varying tales that some people are getting used and some people aren't. There's not a lot of trips in open time, but you never know if people are going to call out or whatnot. So, all right, so I'm going to kind of put some of this together, and that's that. Hey guys, good morning. Hi, good morning everyone. It's Tuesday morning and it's about 8 o'clock, and I thought I would squeeze in a little time on the bike before I leave today for work. So I'm gonna just do a 30-minute little boot camp and try to get a little heart rate up before I leave. So then I gotta pack my lunch and shower and stuff, and I'm on my way. So here we go. Welcome to day 1 of work. Hey guys, I just wanted to say that I'm already an hour delayed, first flight, and I am feeling a little out of sorts, so this video may or may not happen. So we'll see. Hopefully I can pull it together. I thought you guys may be interested to see this part of our paperwork that we get every time we have a flight, which shows the specials that we have on board. So that means customers who have special needs or requests. So we have 6 wheelchairs, 3 children, an extra seat, which means if someone wants to, they can have an extra seat if they need a little extra space, a pet in a carrier. A wheelchair, MP means it's a personal wheelchair, and HC means it is a company wheelchair that they'll just be delivered to the gate. And then a PPOC is a personable A PPOC is a personal oxygen concentrator. That means if they need oxygen continuously, they can bring that on board as well. Also important to note is how I go about eating my cheese curls without getting my hands dirty. I just use chopsticks. It's a pretty great little tip, don't you think? Hey guys, just wanted to kind of wrap this video up. I know this was kind of lame and not very exciting. I had 2 overnights that I really didn't do anything, wasn't in an area that I could explore, and honestly just wasn't feeling it. So I'm just kind of like bleh right now, and hopefully I'll pull myself together soon. But thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or give a thumbs up. Make a comment, say hi, and I have some trips coming up. We're actually on reserve, and so I'm gonna try to perk up. But anyway, I've got 2 legs today, and I am going to Reno and then home. It's already delayed. I don't know. I'm just feeling a little frustrated. So I know I'm usually much more perky than this, and today's just a day where I'm just not feeling it. So this is real, people. This is me. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.